వ్యూవర్స్, ఈ వీడియోలు మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే మీరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ బటన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని యాక్టివేట్ చేసుకోండి.
National income. What is the definition of national income? Nation means country. Country's income. Nation, national income. So here the definition of national income is total value or aggregative value of all final goods value plus services value, we get the national income. Simple. The total value of final goods value and services value is called national income. Or in other words, the income which is produced by the total population of the country is called the national income. Suppose the income is there. The income which is produced by the total population of the country is called national income. Here, three concepts are there: final, goods value, and services value. Three concepts are there. See here, what is the goods value? Means economy is divided into three sectors. One is agriculture, industrial, and service sector. Here, agriculture, primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Suppose agriculture sector, we get the goods or production from agriculture sector, agricultural goods, and we get the goods from industrial sector. But there is no goods, we can't goods produce the goods in service sector. Only we get the income from service sector. You understand? So agricultural goods into market price, we get the income. Next, industrial goods into market price, we get the income. What is here? What is the goods value? For example, the income value is, for example, 10,000. Example, here goods 100 quintals. See here, 100 quintals, each quintal will carry 100 rupees, equal to 10,000 rupees. Example. Then industrial goods are also 100 quintals, each quintal will carry 100 rupees, equal to 200 rupees, equal to 20,000 rupees. What is the goods value? 20 plus 10, how much? 30,000. 30,000 is the goods value. And what is the services value? Here 10,000, for example, is a services value. So goods value 30,000 plus services value 10,000 equal to 40,000. 40,000 is the national income. How can we obtain the national income? By adding the goods and services value. Adding the goods value and services value, we get the national income. So this is a way to present the national income, to define the national income. So the two concepts are there. And moreover, final goods are there. What is the final? We have to take the final goods, not semi goods or intermediary goods are not taken into the national income. What are the final goods? For example, the one good is processed in different stages. For example, here cotton is there. Cotton is changed into yarn. Yarn change into thread. Thread change into cloth. Which stage we have to take? Means have to take the final goods, the goods which are not conversion into the another stage. The goods which are not conversion into the another stage. Cloth is, there is a final. We have to take the final goods value and final services value is called the national income. Why should we take the final goods? to avoid the double counting of the national income. To avoid the double counting, for example, when you take the cotton and we can take the cloth, so one item will be calculated in 2 times. So when we calculate the 2 times, the national income will be also doubled. So to avoid the double counting of national income, we have to take the final goods value and final services value is called the national income. Okay, so this is the definition of national income. Okay, so easy concept, easy way. So this is the first of all national income definition. So students, so thank you very much.